2027. I am Professor J. Venkatraman. I head the Placements Department. It's also called as Corporate Relations Department at IBS Bangalore. The placement record at IBS Bangalore has been very spectacular. We have been achieving excellent placements year on year with a significant increase in the average CTC. CTC stands for cost to the company. We have got the who's who of companies coming from every sector to hire talent from ICFAI Business School Bangalore, and they have never been disappointed. One of the main reasons for this record is the efforts of the faculty members, the placement managers, and overall staff in ensuring placement preparation for the students from day one when you join your semester 1. We give you training in acquiring knowledge, skills, and also shaping up your attitude. From your side, my only expectation is please make use of all these initiatives, support the interventions given by the institute, and make yourself placement ready when the first company comes to hire talent from your batch. Welcome on board. All the very best. Good luck.